Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to discuss the landmark case of ADM Jabalpur vs Shivkant Shukla, which is also known as habeas corpus case. So here we start the facts of the case. In this case, during national emergency 1975 to 1977, many people were arrested under MISA 1971, that is Maintenance of Internal Security Act, and government did not disclose the ground of arrest. So various writ petition of habeas corpus were filed in various High Court of India under Article 226. So to bring uniformity and bring situation under control, a 5-judge constitutional bench of the Supreme Court was set up to hear the matter. And the contention of the arrested persons are they challenge the detention order during national emergency on the ground that it violates the principle of rule of law. And the government contentions are government contended that during national emergency Article 21 is suspended by the Article 359 of the Indian Constitution. So detained person cannot approach court against violation of their fundamental rights during emergency. Supreme Court observation and decisions are the Supreme Court held that the Constitution is the rule of law. There cannot be any rule of law other than the constitutional rule of law. Court further added that Article 21 is our rule of law regarding life and liberty. Article 21 ensures protection of life and personal liberty, and it can only taken away by procedure established by law. So MISA 1971 is the procedure established by the law under which they have been detained. So their detention is constitutional. This judgment was criticized and later on Apex Court admitted that it was a huge mistake. The post-decision action taken in 1978 by Janata Party government. Article 359 was amended through 44th Constitutional Amendment, and it was inserted that during national emergency, Article 20 and Article 21 will not be suspended.